In this video, we'll guide you through how to use Typeform for survey. So without any further ado, let's just dive right in. You can see on the dashboard, we have this now AI section, which is going to be helping us to create different kind of forms and different stuff. So what I like to do here is, you can see we have this create a new form option. You can head over to there and just hold on a bit. You can see we have three different options. So in here we can select, let's just say, create with AI, and then we have all forms in here. If you want to create a survey, you can see you can go with the AI questions, and we have other options as well. So let's just say we are going to be with the first option. Here we are going to be typing here solar survey, and it is going to be automatically generating the questions for us. So you can see, click on this generate questions option and just hold on a bit, and the survey is going to be prepared. So you can see it is just loading up, so give it a moment. Meanwhile it is loading, you can head over to the link in the description to simply get yourself 16% off on its plan. So it is going to be really helpful if you simply want to purchase their pro plan, which even have more features. So you can see, you can click on this start option and your survey is going to be ready. These are all these questions, and you can see the details required, and you can see everything. So our nice survey is ready, and that's how easy it is to generate a survey and use it for survey as well.